What's up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from the Deberoo Suite, and in this video we are going to create a neutral lender using an offer from AffiliaXe. So let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, so we're inside the Deberoo Suite, and in today's video we are going to create a neutral lender based on an offer from AffiliaXe. So first, let's take a look at the specific offer that we are going to promote today. And like I said, it's an offer from AffiliaXe, and this is the one. So it's a campaign for the United States, an offer from the United States. It's called Plate Joy. Custom meal plans for every preference. It's a meal subscription plan that offers tailored recipes to help users meal plan and eat healthier. Plate Joy gives specific recipes and grocery lists. A Plate Joy subscription allows the user to have more control over their health and diet. They offer many customizations for specific diets like keto and Whole30. So the CPA for this, the payout for this offer is $23, but there are some upsells, I believe. Oh yeah, and also we have a special deal, save $21 off any Plate Joy subscription plan. So that's cool. Let's take a quick look at the offer page, after which we are going to create our landing page. Healthy eating for busy people. All right. So there is a VSL right here, which is good. Ready to save time and eat better. Right. Okay. So that's the whole thing, right? Saving time on your cooking and also eating healthier and losing weight, etc., etc. So let's dive into the Deberoo Suite. We're going to open the landing page builder, and inside the landing page builder we're going to go to the template list to look for a nice template that we are going to use today for this specific offer. So let's go ahead and use the vertical filter right here, and we're going to select Neutra. This gives us a list of all the Neutra lenders inside the template list, and those are 14 of them in total, so quite a lot. And we are going to use this one right here, one of the most popular templates in the Deberoo Suite, and let's call it Plate Joy USA. Create. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is, I'm going to leave the logo in for now, but you probably want to change that as well. I'm going to change this date up, so let's make it, well, let's say 03/03/2021. Doesn't have to be the date of today, but just make it more recent, all right? So 2019 is too long ago, so I would suggest at least something in this month, or tops a month ago, 1 month old. And other than that, it looks good. I am gonna change this image for this specific approach because we're gonna do something that's a little different on the angle than the template is. So I want to use a picture of a woman right here. Woman after weight loss. Let's see. Somebody who looks fit. So with a lot of offers and campaigns, usually what works best is if you get a picture of somebody who is in the same situation as the user is. But for the diet and weight loss niche, it's slightly different, because the people who want to lose weight want to know how to lose weight from somebody who actually did it, not somebody who has the same problem at the same time, all right? Somebody who's trying to lose weight is not going to listen to somebody who's trying to lose weight, because they are both looking for the answer, right? And nothing has worked for both of them yet. So in the weight loss niche, it's slightly different, and you want to have somebody who's actually very fit. All right, so let's take a look. These are not really the results that I'm looking for. But Let's just look for fit woman. And it's a very small picture, so we only need like the face. This might be a good picture. Oh, let's zoom in on the bracelet. Okay. I don't know how that happened, but... All right, let's look for something else. Weight loss professional woman. So why I want specifically a woman? Because in the diet and weight loss niche, it's mostly targeted to women. All right. So yeah, so we want a picture of a woman in there as well. And like I said, we're also going to do the angle on this specific lender slightly different, which is why we need a picture of a woman. Let's take a look. Let's see what we can find. This might be a good picture. It's kind of a stock picture, but I'm going to use it anyway. All right, let's open up Canva because we do need to crop this image quite a bit. So let's do 119 by 119. Doesn't really matter that much what the size is, as long as it's a squared image. All right, it's already uploading. That looks good. I like it. Let's see if we have to do something with these adjustments. Slightly. Get that glow going. All right. Let's download this. And then we're going back into the landing page builder and we're going to change this up. All right. That looks good. And let's change the name because it doesn't make sense if she's called Eric. So Erica would already be better, but let's call her Hannah for today. Hannah, and let's change the last name as well. So Hannah Witherspoon. Okay. All right, so we are going to change the headline, we're going to change the image, and we might have to change the text underneath as well. So let's see, how I lost, wait, let's change it up. How I, I'm thinking. Let's do the image first, all right? So let's see. We are gonna get an image of healthy meals. Let's see. Healthy meals, homemade. Something that looks delicious, good, but I also want something that looks out of the ordinary. All right, so that you cannot recognize what it is straight from the bat. Let's see. Let's search for weird meals. See if we can find something that's more out of the ordinary. What is this? Oh, it's like crabs or something, I guess. Let's see, what is this? So this will be a good picture, but not specifically for this offer. For this offer, it's meal plans. But for something like a keto diet, that might be working very, very good. Weird healthy meals. So every time I feel like, okay, this is a dead end, I can't find the picture that I'm looking for, I'm just slightly changing the search term, giving me new results, and maybe perhaps exactly what I'm looking for. All right, let's take a look. There's not a whole lot of very weird looking meals. This is pretty weird looking. So it is chicken. But what is inside? Let's use this. I think this will, it's a squared image though. Never mind. So in this one we do not need a squared image. We actually want in... Actually, we could also do something like a cook. Woman cooking healthy. Don't want all these stock pictures. So I'm going to scroll down quite a bit until I have the perfect image that I'm looking for. Let's see. Woman cooking healthy at home. Once again, a lot of stock pictures. There's a huge watermark on top of it, so we cannot use that. So let's see what else is out there. This might have been good, but it's too obvious that what kind of meal it is. So you want to create that curiosity, and that kind of picture, those kind of pictures are not gonna do that. So we're gonna continue the search for a while. How about this one? Not enough contrast in the image. This is a tough one to be quite honest with you, but this might be a good one. Let's use it. I'm gonna save this image, and we're gonna not upload it here, but actually let's create a design and edit a photo. And then which one is it? Woman preparing, that one. All right. Cool, edit photo. All right, quality sucks. Quality is too bad on this one. But for the sake of this video, let's continue with it. But I would not use this, this picture myself on a landing page or on a creative, just because that quality of the image is just terrible. You can almost count the pixels, so yeah, that's no good. Alright, so for the VSL we're gonna add a play button. I have it somewhere here in this list. There we go. Alright, and I'm gonna adjust the play button as well. Alright, cool. Make it a little bit smaller, get it exactly in the middle, and let's download this. Alright, so now that we have that, we can drop it in right here. Whoops. Alright. Okay, that still looks decent. How I lost 64 pounds by eating, by eating healthy without losing time. It's not very strong headline. Let's change it up. How I lost 64 pounds with while eating whatever I want. All right, cool. In the past, I have struggled with my weight for almost all my life. I've tried diets that simply don't work. I've tried workouts, but I hated doing them and still didn't see any results. Until a friend of mine told me all about Plate Joy. It's a meal plan put together especially for your needs and desires. With Plate Joy, I was able to lose a lot of weight without any without any pain, without any I was able to lose a lot of weight without any pain or struggles. If you or anyone you care about is suffering from you or anyone you care about wants to lose some weight, you must watch this video now. All right, cool. So that is that. We now have created our landing page, our VSL landing page, and all we have to do right now is get our destination URL in, paste our campaign URL in, and then we can publish it, and then our landing page is all good to go. So that's gonna be it for this one, but no worries, because I will catch you next time, and until then, peace out.
If you're an affiliate marketer, listen up. How about a free course on Facebook, native, or push advertising? Sounds pretty good, right? For a limited time only, the Deberoo Suite affiliate marketing platform by Colin Dice is offering a free course for every new sign-up. And that's not all. You can now have a look inside the platform, explore the tracking software, landing page builder, and cash flow manager before joining. You've literally got nothing to lose. Click the link in the description to create your free demo account and see what the most powerful affiliate marketing platform has to offer.